In this video, I'll show you how to fix you submitted an appeals problem on Instagram. Let's say your Instagram account is banned or restricted and maybe you have submitted an appeal and it's still showing that you submitted an appeal error on Instagram. So here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem. It's super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the Instagram application from your device and then tap on app info. And from here, you just need to tap on clear data at the bottom right and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. And then get back from here and then simply go and open up the Play Store, search for Instagram here. And then tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And right after that, you just need to scroll down from this page a little bit and you'll get to see the app support. You just need to tap on this down arrow button here and you'll get to see the email option. You just need to tap on this email option and this will redirect you to the email. So from the list, I'm going to select the Gmail application and this will redirect me to the Gmail application to send and report. I'll get to see this is my email address and this is the support email address. You just need to type in the subject. So you just need to type in your problem subject. And once you have typed in your subject, you just need to go to the compose email here and you just need to type in your problem. So I have already written. And here I have written my problem, so you can pause the video and you can type in whatever I have written here. And also you just need to mention your email address and your Instagram ID. Be sure to add your email ID and the Instagram ID right here. And right after that, just go ahead and tap on the send button at the top right. And once you do that, the report will be sent to the Instagram support team. And just need to wait some time. And right after that, most likely your problem is going to be solved and you'll be able to log into your Instagram account. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.